Good day. Welcome to HRIS Self-Service. But before you play, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for you to notify and the bell icon if there is new update. Leave application for regular and casual. Take note, this manual is intended for individual employee, if ever. The login account is defined as individual employee, expected that he or she will be able to apply leave application to himself or herself only. If ever you may have forced leave, maternity, monetization, paternity, parental leave, sick leave, special privilege leave, terminal leave, vacation leave, and others that should reflect on your daily time record. Navigate to My Applications, Leave Application. Take note, you can also navigate to main page expandable menu buttons. To navigate, click My Application. Drop-down list will be visible. Click Leave Application to continue. How to add and apply leave application. Take note, leave application modal page, having required fields that needs to have values. Seems you will not be able to save the data if fields aren't filled with information. On the other hand, there are two ways to add leave application. Click Apply button or select Date of leave covered for leave application in main page before clicking the Apply Leave Application. Though different ways but still the same, select Plan Date, then select Button. To add leave application date in the drop-down grid. Step 1. Select Date Range to apply leave in main page before clicking the Apply Leave. Take note, Add page will open application number, will auto-generate, and all other non-key fields are blank. In leave application, key field is application number only. Through this it will avoid error and redundancy. Non-key fields are Leave Info tab, Date applied, Employee name, ID number, Leave comment, Remarks, Leave type, Leave subtype, Leave credits, balance as of, Current balance, less this leave, Leave balance, Date breakdown tab, Date from, Date to, Day equivalent, Total equivalent. Combo list box is a user input device in which the user can select an option from a drop-down list or type in a value into a text box so that the appropriate choice can be selected. This term may also be used in reference to a drop-down list, which only allows choices to be selected. User cannot type a value. Step 2. Try to add information and fill in those required fields in order to save. Take note, all fields that needs to be filled will automatically generate a verification of required field. If you click Add button without inputting values in any field. Take note, in leave type field only, leave type is only required field to be filled in whatever type of leave you have selected. The word leave is only word that is reflected to daily time record date that you have applied. Take note, leave type have 10 types. These are forced leave, maternity leave, monetization leave, others, paternity leave, parental leave, sick leave, special privilege leave, terminal leave, and vacation leave. Only sick leave and vacation leave will have a selection. Once you select a leave type of sick leave or vacation leave automatic, you need to check if outpatient or in hospital, since there's only two options to be selected: forced leave, maternity leave, monetization leave, others, paternity leave, parental leave. Take note, once you have to apply sick leave, you have to choose between outpatient or in hospital, special privilege leave, terminal leave. Take note, Once you have to apply vacation leave, you have to choose between within the Philippines or abroad. Step 3. Input value specifically in all required fields. Take note. Primary key and application number is a system-generated number of list application count, and the very latest record added will be found in the top list of its leave application, since display of records is sort by leave application date filed. Leave type field has 10 types. These are forced leave, maternity leave, monetization leave, others, paternity leave, parental leave, sick leave, special privilege leave, terminal leave, and vacation leave. Each leave type has different requirements to select on in order to add record and save application. Step 4. Click close icon if you don't want to save information. Step 5. If you click close icon, data will not be saved. Please repeat step 1 and 3. Step 6. Click Save button if you want to save information. Take note. A pop-up verification window will appear that your record has been successfully saved. Step 7. If you want to submit application, click Submit button to submit information. Take note. A pop-up verification window will appear that your record has been successfully submitted. Take note, if ever you want to save instead of submitting information, click the Save button and not the Submit button. Expected that your application will be successfully saved only if you have data in date breakdown table grid. Take note, even if you have supplied values needed in date of application and leave type, then click Submit button without clicking first the Add button. To add information on the table grid before submitting information expected, you will not be able to submit application if no information display on the table grid, and you will not be able to save information. Step 8. Click OK button if you want to continue and go back on previous page. Take note, you can add or override all the dates that you want to apply. Step 9. If you want to update information, select specific record on the table grid below for you to update information. Step 10. If you want to update information, click Edit button. Input needed information to update the record. Step 11. Click Update button for you to update information. Step 12. If you want to delete information, select information below, then click Delete button to delete the record. Take note, if you have clicked the Delete button, expected that record on the table grid below will be automatically removed. Once record is removed, you need to re-add information so you can submit or save the record. In order to add information, repeat step 3 and 4 for you to continue and update information. Step 13. Click Save button if you want to save information. Take note, a pop-up verification window will appear that your record has been successfully saved. Step 14. If you want to submit application, click Submit button to submit information. Take note, a pop-up verification window will appear that your record has been successfully submitted. Step 15. Click OK button if you want to continue and go back on previous page. How to edit applied leave application. Take note, in editing an applied leave application, only status like new and cancel pending application are editable, unlike other statuses like Level 1 approved, Level 2 approved, Final approved, submitted, reviewed, cancelled, and disapproved are not editable. However, if the submitted application is being cancelled pending by the reviewer, level 1 approver, or by level 2 approver. That will be the time where you will be able to edit the application. In addition, only final approver can cancel the final approved application, and leave status will be cancelled. Once application is cancelled automatic, you cannot delete, nor edit or resubmit application, but to view only information. Step 1. While on the main page of Leave Application, select Specific Record to edit application. Edit drop-down button will be visible. Take note, if ever you have clicked in non-editable applied leave application, expected that record is for viewing purposes only, like level 1 approved, level 2 approved, final approved, submitted, reviewed, cancelled, and disapproved are not editable. Step 2. Click Edit button for you to edit information. Step 3. Select specific leave type on the drop-down to input or replace values in all required field. Step 4. If you want to edit date that you have applied, click Edit button under Date Breakdown tab. Then override or replace date that you want to replace, then click Update button. Step 5. Click Close icon if you don't want to replace or update information. Step 6. Repeat Step 3 to continue to edit information, and click Update button if you want to save updated information. Take note, to update, edit all needed information before clicking the Update button to save current changes. Since Leave Type field is editable, the only way to change Leave Type Recent Record is by reselecting on the table grid below only. If you want to change information and add what type of leave you want to apply, take note, once you click the Delete button, expected no pop-up window will appear that data is deleted, since it is automatic, that you can only identify if record is removed. If no data found, and the selected data is not displayed on the table grid below, since you are not allowed to save the application if no data added on table grid below, and to fill in needed information for you to save the data. Step 7. If you want to continue and change date to be applied, click Delete button to remove information and add new one. Step 8. To continue, input or select values and date from date to and day equivalent to apply. Click Add button to update or add information. Take note, all fields that needs to be filled will automatically generate a verification of required field. If you click Add button without inputting values in any field, expected that you will not be able to add information or even save the applied leave application. Step 9. Input needed information. Click Add button to update or add information for you to save the record. Take note. Step 10. Click Save Edit button to save the updated information for you to save the record. A pop-up confirmation window will appear that current record has been successfully updated. Step 11. Click OK button for you to continue. Step 12. If ever record is not yet submitted, repeat Step 1 and 2. Click Submit button if you want to submit application. Take note, a pop-up confirmation window will appear that your record has been successfully submitted. Step 13. Repeat Step 10 to exit and go back on main page. How to view applied leave application. Take note. In viewing applied leave, once application is submitted, disapproved, reviewed, cancelled, level 1 approved, level 2 approved, or final approved expected, you will be able to view application, since View Details drop-down button will be shown. An application is exclusive for viewing purposes only. In contrast, application status like new and cancel pending, where the creator or the one who applied the leave will not be able to view application, but to edit and delete application. In fact, only visible drop-down buttons are edit and delete. Step 1. While on the main page of leave application, select specific drop-down list of status to view application. Click the selected leave record for you to view information. View Details drop-down button will be visible. Step 2. Click View Details drop-down button to view application information. Take note, since leave application status are submitted, disapproved, reviewed, cancelled, level 1 approved, level 2 approved, and final approved is for viewing only, expected that all fields in this application are disabled, meaning you are not allowed to edit, update, save, delete, and even submit application. Step 3. If you want to close the page, click Close icon for you to exit and go back on main page. Take note, if ever you want to view your applied leave application, you can also click the following buttons or icon: Previous Month button, Next Month button, Today button, Calendar Month per Year, and Calendar icon. Take note, Calendar Month per Year and Calendar icon share the same functionalities. These buttons will help you navigate to what precise month and year, or to simply locate specific leave application record. In addition, only the one who created or have requested the leave application or the account used to log in the page and applied on leave will be able to add, edit, view, print, and delete the applied leave application transaction, depending on the application status. Even if the requester is an administrative officer and applied other employee on leave once the involved party log in his account expected, he will not be able to edit and delete application, instead to view, print, and apply another type of leave. Previous Month button, Next Month button, Today button, Calendar Month, Year. Take note, if you have clicked Calendar Month per Year, expected that month picker will appear, and you will be able to pick specific month and year. In addition, the greater than symbol is next icon, and less than symbol is previous icon. That if you click next icon, you will be directed to next year, and previous icon to previous year. You can also click the current year. Expected year picker will appear, and you will be able to click previous icon and next icon to go back to previous year and move to the following year. If ever you want to go back to the month picker, click any other year. Expected it will go back to month picker. Calendar icon. Take note, in printing and applied leave, once application is submitted, disapproved, reviewed, cancelled, level 1 approved, level 2 approved, or final approved, expected that you will be able to print application. Since Print Leave drop-down button will be shown, an application is exclusive for printing purposes only. In contrast, application status like new and cancel pending, where the creator or the one who applied the leave will not be able to view application, but to edit, delete, delete all, and also print leave application. In fact, visible drop-down buttons are edit, delete, delete all, and print won't leave application. How to print applied leave application? Take note, in printing and apply to leave. Once application is submitted, disapproved, reviewed, cancelled, Level 1 approved, Level 2 approved or final approved. Expected that you will be able to print application, since Print Leave drop-down button will be shown in application. Is exclusive for printing purposes only. In contrast, application status like new and cancel pending, where the creator or the one who applied the leave will not be able to view application, but to edit, delete all, and also print leave application. In fact, visible drop-down buttons are edit, delete all, and print won't leave application. Step 1. While on the main page of leave application, select specific drop-down list of status to print application. Click the selected leave record for you to view information. Print drop-down button will be visible. Step 2. Click Print Permission Form drop-down button for you to print application information. Step 3. Click Back button to go back to previous page. Step 4. Repeat Step 2 if you want to continue. Step 5. Click Export icon for you to print data. Take note, if you click Export icon, expected result export option modal page will appear. Take note, export option pop-up window varies to the browser used by the user for printing. So expected that if you use different type of browser in printing information, different print setting window or option will pop up. If unit is already connected in specific printer, expected record will be printed. However, there is browser specification like Internet Explorer with updated version and compatible add-on. When you click export icon, automatic export setting window will pop up. Step 6. Click Export button in order to print and download the selected file. Take note, if you click Export button, expected record will automatically download the selected file format. Basically, in Firefox browser, in order to view downloaded file, you need to click View Download of the browser. To view downloaded file, Step 7. Click View Download in order to download and print the selected file. Step 8. Select specific file in order to open and print. Step 9. Click the selected file to open and print. Step 10. Click Print icon in order to print file. Step 11. Click Print button for you to print file. How to delete applied leave application? Take note, in deleting applied leave application, once application is submitted, disapproved, reviewed, cancelled, Level 1 approved, Level 2 approved or final approved, expected, you will not be able to delete application, since no delete drop-down button will be shown. Instead, view details and print leave application drop-down button only. That application is exclusive for viewing purposes only. In contrast, application status like new and cancel pending, where the creator or the one who applied the leave will be able to delete application. Step 1. While on the main page of leave application, select specific drop-down list of status to delete application. Click the selected leave record for you to delete information. Step 2. Click Delete if you want to delete applied application. Take note, even if you click the delete expected, that record will be deleted if application status is new or cancel pending. But if record status is submitted, disapproved, reviewed, cancelled, level 1 approved, level 2 approved or final approved. Expected that no delete or delete all drop-down button will be visible. Step 3. Click Cancel button if you don't want to delete the selected record. Step 4. Repeat Step 2, then click OK button if you want to delete the record. Take note, a pop-up confirmation window will appear that your record has been successfully deleted. Step 5. Click OK button to exit and go back on main page. Thank you for watching.